consciousness. And we remain in a piety complex. That there are certain types of complexes which emerge in a human being. He might suffer from inferiority complex, or he might suffer from superiority complex, and he can also suffer from piety complex. I am a very pious man. We suffer from it. Those among us who are religious, they are made to suffer because they are told about secondary things, very ordinary things in Islam. They are told about them that these are the most important things. If you have acquired this, you have acquired all the wealth of Islam. And then because others don't have that, so they hate others. They look down with contempt on others. Ah, what, this man, he hasn't got a beard on his face. This boy who's sitting there is a fasiq. And even Hafiz Abu Bakr, he hasn't got that Hanafi beard full, you see, like this and measured in this manner. You are also. And everyone else, you see. Now, this importance that we are giving, beard is sacred. If the beard is kept for the sake of the sunnah of the Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, it is the most sacred act. But then there are obligations also with the beard. After keeping a beard, never commit the slightest sin, otherwise you are insulting the memory of the Holy Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam, and that is a sin which God will never forgive.